Is your Megabus application constantly crashing or not loading? Well, there are some things or tricks that you can try if your app is not currently working. First, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any kinds of internet issues. However, if you're still having problem opening the application, you want to simply go to your settings, scroll down and tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage, and here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Megabus application and tap on Megabus app. You want to offload the app from here and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application while keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be having any kinds of problem. However, if you do face any kinds of problem after this, you want to simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.